In this video, I will show you how to delete all photos from your device and keep them in your Google Photo Cloud storage. Let me show you how. Open up your Google Photo app. And the next thing you want to do is to simply go ahead and make sure you proceed to collections right here. Under the collection, you may want to make sure that you have backup all the necessary photos into your Google Cloud before you delete from your device. Like for instance, I have my backup file album right here. One of the album is here, and I want to delete some of the photo in my I want to delete some of these photos right here in my device because I've already backed them up into my Google Cloud. You can see all this photo here has been fully backed up. So how do we delete them from the device to free up storage space on our phone, whether you are using Android phone or iPhone? So go back to the on device right here. Click on this device. So having clicked on this device, go ahead and open up your camera. So remember, you have to make sure you back them up before you can delete them. Then scroll down right here and go ahead and locate a particular photos that you want to delete from your device. So I'm going to simply go ahead and select all these. Having select all, next thing I'm going to do right here is to next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on these three dots from the top. Then you want to make sure you click on delete from the device. Delete from device, and this is going to pop up right here. Delete from device, item will remain in your Google Photo. Go ahead and click on delete from device. Successfully deleted. If I go back to my Google Storage Cloud and I go back to my album right here, click on the folder, I'm still going to find the image right here, just like what you see right here. But if I go to my camera roll, you'll find out that the picture will no longer be on my device. So if I'm going to go ahead and click on file right here to search for my file manager, the next thing I'm going to do is to go back from the camera roll right here, then click on pick images. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and click on my camera right here. And here you go. You see that the image is no longer found right here in my camera roll. If I decide to take a look at deleting from some of them here or so if I decide to select all this to be deleted from my device, we have to make sure we go back to my Google Photo right here. Then from my Google Photo, I'm going to go back and then make sure you continue to go back. Then click on this device. Then go ahead and click on my camera. Then go ahead and locate that particular image that was selected. So these are the image right here, and decide to delete them all. So I can click and hold down, select them, just 5. You can select as many as possible. Click on these three dots from the top. Then go ahead and click on delete from this device. Then go ahead and click on delete from device. Successfully deleted from the camera roll. If I go back right here, continue to go back, and I come back to my album in Google Cloud. Click on the album right here. By the time I scroll down right here, you find out the picture is still going to be found right here in my Google Cloud. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like so. Now if I exit from my Google right here and I proceed to my album right here in the file manager, boom, you see the pictures are no longer in my device. You can review and delete as many as possible images from your device while you keep them into your Google Cloud. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.